welcome to the new online session. Okay, what is our EVS lesson 1? Our wonderful body, right? Now, this is our next lesson. Now, you tell me, if you don't eat food for so many days, how you will feel? Yes, you will feel weak and you cannot do any work. Now, tell me what you have for your breakfast and the dinner previous night. Okay, what is it called? It is called food. Yes, we all need food to grow. Okay, now, so this is our next lesson in EVS. It is food for us. Now, before going to the lesson, let me ask you some questions. Okay, now, if you don't eat for a long time, what will happen? You will feel weak and you cannot even sit. You cannot even get up from your bed to do your routine work. So food is very important. Okay, now tell me, do you went to a restaurant with your family, with your parents? Yes, no? What you will order there? You will order Manchuria, noodles, something. Okay. And what your mother will tell? She'll tell it is always healthy to eat at house. Why do you think she tells you like that? Yes, because she tells it because she loves her children and she always want her children to eat healthy. Parents always want their children to be healthy. Okay. Now you tell me, what happens if you always eat ice cream and chips only? What happens to your health? Yes, they are tasty. I agree with you. But what happens if you keep on going on eating ice creams? What will happen? You will get cold and cough, and you may get fever, right? Like that, chips also. What happens if you keep on eating chips? It will make you obsessed. Means you will get fatter. Okay, it is not healthy. Eating deep fried items and all. These are called junk foods. Okay, we should avoid them. Next, we'll be having some festivals, right? Why do you think we should cook that food only on that festival? Like if you take Ugadi, you have to eat neem flower, mango, all these on that day only. Why? Because it builds the immunity in you to come the changes, to beat the changes. Means there in at Ugadi time, what happens? The weather changes from winter to summer. This will give immunity to your body to sustain the weather and accept the heat. Okay, so this is why our ancestors told us that we should follow certain food items to certain festivals. Okay, now let us go to our lesson. Now open your Pearl Sem 1 textbook, page number 167. In this, what is the name of the chapter? It is Food for Us. Now get started. Under this, you will find two riddles. Okay, let us read them. I am yellow, I am sweet, I am what the monkeys like to eat. Yes, what do the monkeys like to eat? Here it is written fruity riddles, means the answers have some fruits in it. Now tell me, which is the fruit that is yellow in color and sweet and monkeys like to eat? Yes, it is banana. Next, going to the second one. I am juicy, I am sweet, people eat me to escape the summer heat. Yes, what is that fruit which we eat in summer, which we get in summer? It is juicy and sweet, and we will eat that to escape from the summer heat. It is watermelon. Yes, when do we have food? We have food when we are hungry. Why should we take food? Because food make us to grow. When you joined in nursery, how much is your height? It would be, now you have grown up, right? When you are born, you will be 1 feet, right? Now you are 2 or 3 feet height. Okay, approximately. So why is this happening? Because you are taking food and it makes you to grow, and food makes us strong and healthy. If you eat food nicely, you will be strong and healthy. Next, food gives us energy to work and play. If you don't eat food for many days, what will happen? You will have no energy to work or play. If I tell you to write down the notes, what you will tell? No, I can't write. And if your mother asks you to play, then what you will tell? No, I can't play. So it is very important for us to have food. Next, foods help us to fight diseases also. Okay? Yes. Do you all know the food we eat is divided into three kinds of food? Okay? What is the first one? It is the body building food. Means it gives strength to your bones and muscles. Okay? It is the protein food. And what is the second one? It is energy giving food. It will gives your body energy, the required energy. And the third one is the protective food. Now we will see the different kinds of food and what you should eat. Okay? Now, kinds of food. Different kinds of food helps us in different ways. First one is the bodybuilding food. Okay? What are the bodybuilding food? Milk, eggs, fish, meat and pulses help us to grow. They makes our bones and muscles strong. This helps us to grow. Okay? Now let us go to each and every picture of this. What is this? Milk. Okay, I think you are having your milk, glass of milk every day. These are eggs. You should also have an egg a day. Okay. What is this? This is fish. What is this? This is meat. Yes, what are these? These are pulses. Pulses are the things which we use in our daily food to eat. Your mother will cook them. You might don't know what are these, but they will use this in our daily and routine food. See what is this? Yellow moong dal. If your mother cooks pongal, you ask them which pulse you have put in that. It is they will do with yellow moong dal. Okay, yellow chana dal. Chana dal you can eat chana vada and all this. Next, red lentils or masoor dal. Masoor dal in some areas for dal and sambar they use this masoor dal. This is half moong khichdi dal. Okay, this is urad dal. Urad dal means the idli and dosa which you eat for your breakfast comes from this. This is skinned one. This is urad dal without skin. And these are red beans. We'll generally boil this and have as a snacks. This is Kabuli chana, and while you eat your chole bhatura and chana, all this you can have this. Next, this is green moong. This is tur dal. Yes, sambar, for sambar and dal we use this tur dal. And this soya beans. Soya beans are very good in protein. Okay, they build your muscles. Next, these are some morti dal. Yes, what is our first kind of food? It is bodybuilding food. What is our second food? Second type of food or kind of food? It is energy giving food. Means by eating this food items you will get energy to work and play. What are these? Sugar, butter, rice, jaggery gives us energy. We use this energy to work and play. Okay, now let us go through each picture. What is this? Butter. You will eat this with your bread. Okay, you will apply to bread and you will roast that. Next, what is this? This is sugar. I am damn sure you know this very well. And this is rice. The daily which you eat for lunch and dinner, it is rice. Next, what is this? This is jaggery. Yes. How many of you know what is this called in your mother tongue? Ask your parents what is this and let me know. It is called good in Hindi. Okay. Now these are cereals. Okay. Now what are cereals? Means this gives us energy. If we eat them, we will get energy. These are called cereals. What you know? Do you all know oats? Oats. It is also in biscuits. Oats biscuits are coming nowadays. It is good for your health. Next, rice. Daily you will eat this. Next is wheat. Yes, have you ever ate wheat? Yes, if you eat chapati, paratha and roti, those are made up of wheat. Next, corn. I think so you will eat sweet corn and normal corn, right? It is called corn. Next, barley. Did you ever heard a word barley? Yes, in summer to beat the heat, you will bring barley. Okay, next this is rye and these are millets. Okay, these all are very good for our health. We should have them. Okay, what are the first two types of food? First one is bodybuilding, the second one is energy giving, and this is the third type of food which is called protective food. Under protective food, fruits and vegetables will come. What this will do will keep you healthy. They prevent us from falling sick. What they will do? They will fight with the diseases causing germs. Okay, that is why you should eat a fruit every day. That is why our elders will tell to eat a fruit every day. Okay, we need to eat some of these food items every day. We should have vegetables and also fruits. Now let us go through the vegetable chart first. What is this? It is a cucumber. Okay. Next it is radish. Next tomato. Next it is beetroot. Beet is only written. It is called beetroot. Next is tinda. Next is rich gourd. How many of you know what is rich gourd? You can ask your parents. It is known as birakai in Telugu. Okay. These are peas. Next cabbage, pumpkin, potato, lady finger, bitter gourd. How many of you like bitter gourd? Yes, it is kakarkai, okay, but it is very good for health and for children, those who have less HB and less iron, for them this is very good. Esculent root. Next, God. Here it is God is written. Actually, its name is bottle gourd. It is called sorkaya. Okay. Next is lemon. These are vegetable. Now let us go to fruits. Yes. What is this? The very first one. Right from your nursery, you are learning this. A for apple. Okay. Next is banana. Next, pear. Next is grape. Next, cherry. Next, orange. Next is lemon. Next is peach. Next is strawberry. Next, pineapple. Next is melon is here written there. Actually, this is called musk melon. Okay. Next is watermelon. I hope you are eating daily fruits at your home. If you are not eating, start eating from today. Now, raw and cooked food. Okay, what is raw? What is meant by raw? What is meant by cooked? Cooked means if you boil or fry or do something to a food item, it is called cooked. Raw means which you will not cook. Generally, we eat fruits raw only. Okay, do you cook fruits? No. Yes, fruits and some vegetables also we can eat raw. But while you are eating raw, you should make sure that you are washing them properly. Okay, no dust should be on them if you are eating raw. While cooking means what happens? While boiling, the bacteria and all will die. Okay, now let us go to the vegetables which we can eat raw. Fruits and a few vegetables such as peas, cucumber, radish, beetroot and carrot can be eaten raw. Raw means what I told? Without cooking. Okay, meat, eggs, dal, rice and most vegetables are cooked. Some food items are there which we should not eat raw. They should be cooked thoroughly. Okay. Those are meat, eggs, dal, rice and some vegetables. Okay. Next, how many meals do we have in a day? Morning you will have breakfast, right? And afternoon what you will have? It is lunch. And at night you will have dinner. So how many meals do we have in a day? We have 3 meals in a day. Okay. Now let us go through the each picture which of the vegetables we can eat raw. This is cucumber. You can peel the skin, wash it properly and you can eat. Next, radish. This one also you can peel the skin, wash it and eat raw. Next, carrot. You can peel the skin, wash it and you can eat it raw. This is tomato. You can eat without peeling the skin also. Next, beetroot. What you will do, you will peel the skin, wash it properly and you can eat raw. Yes, what is meant by raw? It is without cooking. Okay. Yes, these are the food items which we should eat after cooking it thoroughly. Okay, we should not eat raw at any cost. What is this? This is meat. This is fish. It should be washed properly and cooked very well. These are eggs. These should be boiled, okay, or cooked. Then we should eat. Next, this is dal. This should be boiled. Otherwise, you will get stomach pain. Next, rice. Do you eat raw rice? No, no, we will boil them and then we will eat. Potato. This is the vegetables which you should not eat raw. It should be cooked well before eating. Okay, these are the things which we have to cook before eating. Yes, what is this picture? This picture is the tells you the meals which we take in a day. What are those? The first one is breakfast. From morning you will have your breakfast. In breakfast what you should have? You should have milk and eggs. Okay, these are very necessarily. This should be taken for growing children like you too. It will make you become tall and stronger. Okay, yes, regarding bread and cereals, it depends upon the region from where you live. Generally in our region we will take idli or dosa as our breakfast. Those are also very good because those are pulses and cereals. Okay. Next for lunch, what we will take? For lunch we will take dal, sabji means curry, rice, curd. We take all these four, right? Along with this, it is good if you take sweet and a paratha. This makes a complete lunch. Next for dinner. Generally we take rice, sabji, dal and curd for dinner. Okay. But it is good for us if we take sabji, dal, roti and a sweet for a dinner. Okay. So these are the 3 meals in a day which we will eat generally. Yes, what is the heading? A balanced diet. Yes, first let me tell you what is a diet. The kind of food we eat is called a diet. Now coming to a balanced diet. What is balanced diet? What are the 3 types of food which I told you? These are energy giving food, body building food and protective food, right? If we take these 3 kinds of foods in right amount, it is called a balanced diet. Okay, such a balanced diet will make us fit and healthy. Okay, now let us go through a picture of a balanced diet. See here, what are these? These are fruits and vegetables over here, which is a protective food. And what are these? It is milk products, egg, fish, all this. What are these? These are bodybuilding foods. And what are these? Cereals, pulses and all. Okay, this is energy giving food. If we take, see, the right amount means equal amount of food. If we take In our diet, it is called a balanced diet. Now, coming to healthy eating habits. What is the first healthy eating habit? You should always wash your hands and mouth before and after every meal. Nowadays, you are washing your hands for every 10 minutes or using a sanitizer to wash your hands. But before that, what we used to do, before taking or eating any snacks also, we generally used to wash our hands. Okay. Next, have your meals at a fixed time every day. This is why the schools will be having a lunch break, because at that particular time every day you should have your lunch. Like that only you should have a particular time for having your breakfast and dinner also. Okay. Never skip your breakfast. You should not never stop eating your breakfast. Means what happens, why you should not skip your breakfast? See, at night you will have dinner and morning you will have your breakfast. In between this time, nearly for 8 to 10 hours, you will not eat anything. Your stomach will be empty. So to do the work, you have to need the energy. So you should have your breakfast and you should never leave it. Next, eat a balanced diet. Okay, you should always eat a balanced diet. Well, tell me, what is a balanced diet? It is the right amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food. Next, junk food is not good for health. As I told you, junk food is not good for your health. Next, eat only fresh and clean food. Yes, you should always eat fresh and clean food. You should not take stale food. Stale food means you can see in some shops on the food items, these house flies, mosquitoes and some insects will be flying all over it like this. Okay, you should never eat that kind of food items and you should always uh, prefer to eat the hot food. Okay, means just cooked now food. Okay. Next, never waste food. Take only as much as you can eat. Yes, you should not waste your food. I'll see many times the small children, what they will do, they will eat some food and throw the remaining food. This is not at all good, because in some parts of our country, in some countries, there are people who are not getting their food to eat. Even they hardly eat a day. For a week, they hardly get one meal to eat. Okay, so never waste your food. Take only as much as you can eat. Yes, you can take the small amount of food in your plate, eat that completely, and then again you can take the food. Next, drink clean water. Boil or filter it before drinking. Yes, this you all know, because in our school only we are having filtered water. Okay, you should always drink clean water. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Okay, morning means you will have food, so you have to brush your teeth. Then what is the use of brushing teeth at night? Let me tell you this. What happens, because throughout the day you will be eating, there will be a little bit of food stuck in your teeth. What happens if you don't brush your teeth at night before going to bed? The germs will start eating the food, and along with the food it will eat your teeth also. Then the cavities will develop and it may spoil your teeth. So it is um, very necessary to brush your teeth twice a day. Coming to quick recap. What is the quick recap? It is the lesson which we have gone through now, what we have learned in a brief points. Okay. When we are hungry, we eat food. What you will do when you feel hungry? You will eat food. Okay. Food makes us grow. Okay. Food, if you eat food, you will grow. Food gives us energy and makes us strong. It gives us energy to work and play, and it also makes us strong to do things. Next, bodybuilding food makes our bones and muscles strong. If you eat a bodybuilding food, it will make our bones and muscles strong. Next, energy giving food. which gives energy to work and play. Okay, next is protective food, which prevents us from falling sick. If you eat protective food more, make you it will help you to fight the diseases, and feel you will feel healthy. Okay, we must eat a balanced diet. We must have healthy eating habits. Okay, now coming to your assignment. Today your assignment is you write two food items which makes your bones and muscles strong, means two body building food and two energy giving food and two food items of protective food, and submit to me. Okay, with this we are completing our food for us part 1 explanation part is completed. In our next session we will go through the reading part and the exercises. And Hari Om, thank you.